Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to add friends in T3 Arena. If you want to team up and enjoy matches together with your friends, then you can easily add them in the game. First of all, launch the T3 Arena app on your device and on the main lobby screen, look for the two human figures at the top right corner, which is also known as the social tab. Now this will open up this social tab from where you need to tap on add on the left hand corner. You can now add friends from the suggested list on the right hand side. Simply tap on the plus icon right next to the person and you'll be able to send them the friend request. Repeat this step for every other person you'd like to add. You can also manually enter a username or the player ID at the top. Simply go ahead and type in the player ID of your friend or the in-game username. After you make a search for it, in the search result, tap on the plus icon right next to their name and you have successfully sent a friend request to the person. You can also invite your friends by tapping on share a link on the left hand side and select a person or your friend you'd like to invite to the game and send them the request. Once your friend accepts your request, you will then be able to add the person on your friend list. Just make sure that both you and your friend are on the same region or server to find each other easily. Your friend can also enter your player ID by coming to this social page, and then they can add you as the friend by following these quick steps. So that's how you can easily add friends in T3 Arena. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.